Welcome everybody to the Latte podcast. Now, with Valentine's coming up, I thought it's only appropriate, sorry to mention the V word, only appropriate that we're going to talk about the romantic of visas, okay? So, spouse visas. Now, a lot of people think that spouse visas are like a quick, easy win to get a loved one to the UK, which, while I'm a romantic at heart, I know the UK immigration system is no fairy tale. So I wanted to talk to you, Miss Queen of Immigration, about the requirement to prove a real and genuine relationship, which is what a lot of people, I think, struggle with the application. Now, firstly, why do you think that clause exists?
Oh, thank God I'm not the Queen of Valentine's. First thing first, so please don't mention that. Well, it is there to protect. When I say to protect, is like you said, it seems very convenient to bring anyone in. So they just want to make sure that if you apply under the route of spouse or partner, then you genuinely are one.
Yeah, that makes sense. So, I mean, the next question, which I guess would normally call for cocktails, is the ultimate question. Now, how do you prove real love? Like, what can someone do? What can a couple do to maximize their chances of a successful application for a spouse visa?
Yeah, well, the definition of a genuine and subsisting relationship on everyday life is very different to the immigration rules. Now, genuine and subsisting is it real and continuous? Very simple. So is it real and is it continuous? And do you have the intention to permanently live in the UK together as a couple?
Okay.
If you do not prove these components through evidence to the immigration officer, you will highly likely fail. And if you fail this element, your spouse visa, nevertheless, you may pass all other financials, English and whatnot, you will still be refused. And it is, it's not very cut and dry. It's not very simple to say, oh, put this evidence, put that evidence. It depends on the couple. It depends. You need to speak to the people. You need to understand the circumstances, and then you customize what documents to put in. Of course, you need, if they're living together, you need to prove that they have been living together with utility bills, for instance, council tax, gas, electricity, whatnot. Like they are living, cohabiting together.
What about like pictures and communication, like WhatsApps and stuff like that?
So that was they're living together cohabitation part. And then the genuineness part and the continuous part is when you submit documents such as WhatsApp texts or love letters or messages, because it's the genuine part that this is a genuine couple. And I can't emphasize this enough to my couples, because a lot of them worry when I say to them, do you mind if you give some screenshots of your relationship? And they go, okay, that's a bit private. And they go, but Oliverta, we also have a bit of information there, such as fights about milk, for instance, or why haven't you done the dishes?
Who forgot to bring home the milk?
And I say, well, that's perfect. And they go, how is that perfect? I'm like, because it shows the real couple side. I said, no couple is out there saying, love you, love you, love you, love you from morning to evening. An everyday life requires that there is some quarrels sometimes, some discussions.
I love the idea of the Home Officer like sitting there having a chuckle reading these WhatsApp communications about people's fights over milk.
I see their point though. I do see their point, because like I said, I can assess a couple within the first minute, whether they're genuine or not. But you do need to bear in mind at the back of your head is it real? Is it continuous? And do they have the intention to permanently reside in the UK as a couple?
I love that. Okay, so if anyone out there is thinking about applying for a spouse visa, get in touch with Oliverta, because if anyone can get you a spouse visa, she can. And do check out our Instagram for a chance to win something very special this Valentine's with our very special
That's it, I'm done.
Valentine's giveaway. Have a lovely Valentine's Day.
You're such a romantic. Well done.